While participating in a live litigation stream, you can use electronic exhibits to upload and share documents in real time. Click the Exhibit Files icon and a list of files that have been uploaded by you or your team will appear in the list. To add new files, click the Upload icon and select one or more files from your computer. Files must be in PDF, PNG, or JPEG format. To introduce an exhibit, select a file from the list and click Exhibit. When you are ready to present this exhibit to the other participants, click Start Exhibit and the document will appear for all users. You can use the markup tools to draw and annotate on the document in real time. You can also select other users to give markup ability, allowing them to draw and annotate as needed. To place a stamp on the exhibit, click Stamp and click anywhere on the document. Customize the details and appearance of the stamp, and then resize and position the stamp as desired. To finalize a copy of this exhibit, click Submit and a new file will be created and saved with all current markup. You can download the submitted exhibits from the Exhibit Files window by navigating to Submitted Files. Select a file and click Download to save it to your computer. While viewing video, real-time transcript, and exhibits, you can adjust the layout of these items on the screen. Click the Switch Layout icon to cycle through the different available views.